Some football news now. Jamaica's under-20 reggae boys have surged to the top of Group B in Curacao after commanding 7-0 victory over the Turks and Caicos Islands on Wednesday to secure their second straight win of their World Cup qualifying campaign.
The young Jamaicans were clinical from start to finish, powered by braces from Giovanni Taylor and Raekwon Campbell-Dennis. Campbell-Dennis set the tone early, striking in the 10th and 13th minutes to put Jamaica firmly in control inside the opening quarter hour. Taylor then added his double in the second half, finding the net in the 61st and 87th minutes to cap an emphatic display. Jamari Nolan, the Reggae Boys under-17 captain, also got on the score sheet along with Jamari Howell and Aaron Miller as Jamaica produced a dominant all-round performance to dismantle the Turks and Caicos team. The result moves Jamaica to 6 points from 2 matches, level with Puerto Rico, but ahead on goal difference. Puerto Rico kept pace with a 5-0 win over Bonaire, while St. Kitts and Nevis defeated the Cayman Islands 3-0 in the other Group B encounter. The Jamaicans opened their campaign with a 3-0 victory over Bonaire on Monday and will now turn their attention to Friday's showdown against the Cayman Islands at 7 p.m, where a third straight win could further strengthen their push for a place in the next round. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.